Now, I've heard so many excuses when it comes to creating a client list. I know this part of the business may seem really daunting, but this should only take you 5 minutes each week. Hi, I'm Caria, your digital strategist. Now, I want you to look through your business cards and see who is not a client yet, but who could be. And if you don't have business cards, look through your phone. Just have a quick squiz. Pick 10 people who are not clients, but could be. Even if they're just friends, they may know someone who's looking for what you offer. Now, this should only take you 5 minutes, and it can be done daily, weekly, or even monthly, depending on how many clients that you want or need. Then come up with a reason why those 10 people should work with you right now. What have you changed? If you haven't changed anything, what practices have you kept that are tested to get results repeatedly? And talk about why you have maintained these practices. Now, you may even change a couple of things in your business to make that call to those 10 people. Then, guess what? Repeat this process as many times as you can. Now remember, it only takes 5 minutes to come up with a list. Make sure you add those names into a spreadsheet so you can remember who you've called or any of their responses or any leads that you might get out of this. I hope this helps. And if you want to work with me, get in touch. I have a marketing mentoring program and I'd love to work with you. Until next time, peace. For more epic marketing resources for small business owners and sole traders, visit cariwat.com.